Hello everyone, bringing up the next video for the Indian stock market for 10th February 2025. 10 फरवरी 2025 के लिए इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट की रीडिंग. So the cards are already been shuffled up and let's see what the cards are saying to us. The morning trading time. We would be expecting that it will be on a positive side. Yes, it will be on a positive side. Whatever the closing was there on the 7th February 2025, उसके हिसाब से जो मार्केट है 10 तारीख की सुबह को वो पॉजिटिव साइड में होगी, बट विथ वेरी लेस मूवमेंट्स इन दैट. The range for the first 2 hours will not be to that great extent that we are expecting up. So the range will be very limited and very less movement we will be able to see it in there. Even though as per the cards, it will be on the positive side. Let's see what is there on the afternoon. Too much of momentum, which will give you both side of trading, positive and the negative, or if it does not happen so, then यदि मार्केट पॉजिटिव की तरफ है तो पॉजिटिव में ही बहुत रेंज में आएगा. बहुत कम से लेके बहुत हाई रेंज तक का एक सिनेरियो होगा. बट मोर ओवर फ्रॉम द कार्ड्स आई कैन सी दैट यू हैव टू कीप एन आई on the market in the afternoon for the 10th Feb 2025. Too much of momentum and you will have to understand which trade is appropriate for you. Let's see what is there in the closing hours. In the closing hours, we see that it will be again on the positive side, but the last 2 hours of the stock market will be on a will have very less movement again. Even though whatever you are expecting उतना नहीं मिलेगा, but still you will be able to grab up something or the other on the positive side. But yes, one positive spike I could see it, जहाँ पर एक अच्छा सा spike आपको मिलेगा on the positive side, but moreover the market will be on a steady. So overall when we see that the whole market from morning till afternoon time, we are able to see that very less movement are there in the morning and the closing hours, but a good lots of movement will be seen in the afternoon period, which will give you lots of opportunity also. यहाँ पर मॉर्निंग में ऐसा कोई मुझे बहुत बड़ा स्पाइक नहीं दिख रहा है, बट फिर भी शायद एक स्पाइक, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द कार्ड में नहीं दिखा रहा है, बट एक इंट्यूशन कह रही है कि एक बहुत अच्छा स्पाइक ज़रूर आएगा मॉर्निंग में. एंड इवन इन द क्लोजिंग आवर्स दे विल बी अ वेरी पर्टिकुलर वन स्पाइक, less movement. So this is what the reading of the cards are. Before I end up the reading, I would like to do a disclaimer that I'm not a stock market broker, nor I have any stock market knowledge. I am reading these cards just for my education and entertainment purpose, just to understand how cards read up for the stock markets. So kindly, what it resonate, take it up, rest, leave it to the divine. And I even would like to do a disclaimer that I do not suggest you to do any trading. मैं आपको ट्रेड करना नहीं सिखा रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ स्टॉक मार्केट को रीड कर रही हूँ कि उसकी एनर्जीज कैसी होंगी. सो अगेन रिपीटिंग, टेक व्हाट इट रेजोनेट, रेस्ट, लीव इट टू द डिवाइन. So thank you so much and have a great trading day ahead.